Hey guys. Oh, you thought that you were gonna hear a girl's voice? Nah, not today. We're gonna switch things up today. We're gonna go for a natural look, you know. Dang, she's so beautiful, isn't she? Such a lucky dude. Okay, so we put my hair up. Well, her hair up. You know, look at her face. We're gonna use coconut water cream. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of that. Put that on my forehead, my cheek, and my chin. Okay, we're gonna rub that in. Okay, we're gonna use, I don't know what that is. I'm gonna add that underneath on my cheek, and it's running down on my forehead, and it won't stop. And we're gonna rub that in also. Okay, this is boing. Okay, we're gonna put that under the eye. All right. Okay. Just like so. Okay, and then a little warrior. Put it under on my forehead as well. My cheek, my nose, and we're ready for battle. All right, and we're gonna blend that in with a beauty blender, obviously. Okay. Now we're gonna use Anastasia for my eyebrows. Anastasia, I think. Draw eyebrows. Make them look freaky. Oh, look at that! Look at that arch right there. Yes. I'm just gonna fill my eyebrows. Yep. Yes. Now we're gonna use more for my eyebrows. I'm so bad at this. Yep. We're gonna do the same exact thing on the other side. Yep. Oh, look, fleeky. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna use Elf. Yep. Pretty sure that's highlighter. Maybe. Some type of powder. Yep, highlighter. Hey, I was right. Yeah, we're gonna add that. Okay, on my cheekbones. Yes. Yep. So we can get that nice little shine to it. Oh, this is like literally my favorite. Put that on my nose a little bit to make it, a little cleaner. Ooh, yes. Okay, now we're gonna use mascara. And all the links to these products will be in the description below, so you can check them out, and use what I use. Yep, we're gonna put mascara on. Now we're adding, is this eyeshadow or something? I think that's eyeshadow. I'm pretty sure. She ain't really showing it. I don't really know what it is. Now for the lips, we are gonna do lip This is a lip cream. Yeah. This is personally my favorite look on her. It's like so pretty. I love it. Yeah, it's so beautiful, so naturally beautiful. And this is the finishing look. Pretty. Oh, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment on my girlfriend's page, and we'll see you next time.